Info table. Okay, so we get the book from the Arcasia Grand Prix. Quantities of weekly honing material to ensure players are rewarded per 7. Destruction Stone is now bundles of 50, can be redeemed up to 10 times. Oh! No, this is good. This is good. This is good actually. So now you can buy 500 instead per week, and you can buy 1500 of the blue frags. That is actually really good. That is actually good now. This is nice. This is nice. This is a good one right here. So this is the Grand Prix reward, right? So there is the Grand Prix, and then there is the Guardian event. So I actually think it's a good amount of materials. It's actually really good. Well, hopefully. Okay, let's read up on this first, I guess then. So yeah, March 24 weekly update. Here we go, man. March 24. That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow, I guess. It's already 24 here because obviously I live in the future, right? Not in the past. So yeah, March 24 weekly update. Link for the viewers. Yeah, sure. Sure. Okay. Let's see now. 24 weekly update. Okay. Heroes in Arcasia. Later we released Malgate last week. We communicate some upcoming adjustment to honing materials, new events, and the start competitive proving ground season 1. That's the competitive PvP, the ranking. Result arrived in this week update. Downtime began. Okay, this is downtime. 8 hours. Damn, dude. You know, NAU outdoing Korea as usual, especially when it comes to downtime. And yeah, Spotlight Casual Guardian Raid event with Virtus Omega Lul, but yeah. Joy Guardian Raid in a more casual way, relax and play and get honing rewards. Scale of balance, that's the equalize system. It's applied to change character stats to match Guardian level. Difficulties judges according to the number of participants in the raid. Oh, so it's actually like you can actually solo this still. So that's actually you can solo. That's the difference between like a challenge guardian. You cannot really solo that one. Well, I mean like it's not that you cannot solo. It's just not equalize. Like it's not. It doesn't change between the number of players. Preview to change Helgaia, Frost, Helgaia, Lumerus, Urnil, Virtus, Chromanium, Necras, and Dark Legis, Asilegis, Calvatus, Lepanos. Event will last roughly a month, and players with item level 250 or above will be able to participate. Thing is like, why wouldn't you just choose Urnil then? It's the easiest one, right? Why wouldn't you just choose Urnil if this was the case? But yeah, just choose Urnil, quick clear, and then you're done with it. I don't know why. Make it easy enough that everyone can beat it daily. Well, yeah. I mean, like they said that that's just how it is, and I think it's just gonna give you currency like the Naruni, and after that you just go and buy it on the vendor. So yeah. I'll have to see Niome. Similar to Grand Prix, you can enter once a day per roster and earn event specific coin. There you go. Yeah. Completing the raid during the week will grant 200 coin, and a weekend win will grant 300 coin. This vendor can be found in major city. It enters the new activity will be fully stocked with tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 honing material. Metallurgy, tailoring, singing book, and a tier 3 gem chest available to be nabbed every week until the event ends. Okay. I mean, like, again, we don't know, man. All of this is called metallurgy, so I don't know if like this is like also like a tier 3 book or not. So yeah, it's similar to Grand Prix Temponym. Yeah, the way it works is similar to Grand Prix, but I mean like they told us already, so we know. So yeah, amount of matches Guardian are the same. I mean, it gives coins no matter whatever you do. So yeah, tier 1, tier 2 only, I think. Now tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Oh, the book. I mean, like it's possible for it to be only tier 2 book and tier 1 book. It's possible, but we don't know. But yeah, competitive proving ground. That's the like a PvP rank right there. Only team deathmatch, only solo rank. That's basically only solo queue basically. So yeah, I know people want team queue, but to be honest, man, the team deathmatch thing, the most fair you can get is just solo queue. So you all just like gambling on like your party being like good enough. Luckily, it gets better on the higher rank. So in Diamond Plus, people are good. So you don't have to worry that much. So in a way, like it's kind of like the most fair you can get. Player gifts. This is the gifts right here. This is the thing that we get. The one that I just got in Korea like what 2 weeks ago or something. So you guys will get this as well. The animal pad, everything. It's pretty good. There is a jukebox as well, right? I think. I don't know. Wait. There is more actually. So this is the same gift that we have in Korea. So and then there is more, I guess. Grats stack, man. Grats. Okay, one sec then. Okay, Wallaby decided to hold up a jukebox. Okay, never mind. They decided to hold up on the jukebox then. Never mind. Not yet made its way to Western version of Lost Ark. Alongside the item listed above, we decided to announce and give a player focus on honing. Yes, there we go. This is good here. Opening each chest, player can choose between options listed below. 5 Leapstone selection. Oh, the blue selection box. 6 Guardian. Hi. I mean, I guess it's something, you know. Tier 1, Tier 2 stone is probably like the best value if you're pushing an alt, but yeah. Destruction stone is the same, only 400. Man, that's only like a single tap, isn't it? That's a single tap, dude. This is 2 taps, or this is like 1200, so it's about like 4 taps of armor. 3 to 4 taps. This one is about like a single tap. One honing material, special material, tier 1, tier 2, and then like the fusion material. Okay, I mean like it's something extra, I guess, you know. We'll take it, you know. It's not a lot, but it's something extra, so we'll take it, I guess. This stone is 1 tap, yeah. 1 tap and failing, yeah. 1 tap and failing, you know it, man. But at least it gives you pity, you know. Just count this as pity. This is a pity material, right? Pity material, so yeah. The leapstone is not 150 though. It's 90. But it's still pretty nice, yeah. The leapstone is gonna buffer you. You're gonna be short on like blue and red frags as usual. Gift will show up on your product inventory after the weekly update. Players who join us in the near future will also be granted these gifts in their first login and will communicate the end date when it begins drawing near. It's product inventory. That means like I won't get multiple of them. Because I play on like one account. Go. So yeah. Okay. 1 sec then. Okay, let me go into this thing first real quick. Okay. Okay, Arcasia Grand Prix reward adjustment. Metallurgy tailoring book used to increase only the weekly reward table. Okay, so we get the book from the Arcasia Grand Prix. Quantities of weekly honing material to ensure players are rewarded per 7. Destruction stone is now bundles of 50. Can be redeemed up to 10 times. Oh! No, this is good. This is good. This is good actually. So now you can buy 500 instead per week, and you can buy 1500 of the blue frags. That is actually really good. That is actually good now. This is nice. This is nice. This is a good one right here. So this is the Grand Prix reward, right? So there is the Grand Prix, and then there is the Guardian event. So I actually think it's a good amount of materials. It's actually really good. Well, hopefully. That is really good. Yeah, this is really good. This is really good here. The amount of materials you get here and the amount of materials you get like on the new event should be quite a lot. At least like it's per week. I'm pretty sure it's per week, right? So it buffers you quite a bit. So increase coins earning to make purchasing and snagging rewards you want easier. We get like millions of coins already, so we'll take it. Chaos Dungeon and Guardian Race now grant 125 coins instead of 100. And Grand Prix now can award up to 880 for the commission, up from 800. It's kind of whatever, I guess. New fraud and bot prevention system. Oh, the Steam account good standing. We have and have met the small purchase requirement. Wait, what? We're getting a new prevention system to crack down on bots and fraudulent purchases. Players who have Steam account in good standing and have met small purchases. Players who have not met these transactions through Steam Login will have reduced access to small number of social and economic systems. Specifically, this account will have smaller daily Steam purchase limit than trusted players and be prevented from initiating player-to-player trades, sending in-game gifts, exchanging royal crystal for gold, sending in-game mail with attachment. I see. That is so far so good, I guess, yeah. Our goal players to enjoy their time in Lost Ark, user engaging fraudulent purchases. Yeah, RMT says buying and selling gold or other in-game items to players is probably under our code of conduct. Yeah, the usual, blah blah blah. Yeah, this usual against the TOS and everything right here. Can't spill all of our secrets right there. Yeah, that's basically how it is right here. It's pretty good so far, I think, in my opinion. I don't think this is like that bad for like a free to play player per se. I think it depends on how it is as well. I mean like initiating player and player trade is not really like a you don't really use this as much as you think, to be honest, because most of the time you send mail, but mail you cannot send in-game mail with attachment. Attachment means that like you put like materials and stuff like that, I assume. I don't know if you can send gold or anything, but yeah, I'm not sure, I guess. I don't think it will be that big of an issue, but we never know yet, right? So yeah. Low price to accept the quest of the races without being level 50. Fixed voice
Pause
chat.
for now.
Yeah. Okay. And there is the feedback. Okay. Well, seems like that's what it is right there, man. That's the weekly update. So yeah, I mean like okay, here's the thing about like the weekly update, right? The weekly update for that one is okay, the bot prevention thing with the trust status, I don't think it will be that big of a deal like in the NAU thing, to be honest. I actually don't think it will be that big of a deal. Because like the reason for that is because I think you can still send gold and everything, and you can still mail stuff. You just can't mail with attachment. But I mean like think of it this way, like how many times have you mailed someone with it, you know? How many times? Yeah, not your purchase item. Yeah, and it's based on like what you have already done on your Steam purchase. Like if you bought like a game for like let's say like $5 already, right? Not doesn't have to be like platinum pack or anything. Then technically you're kind of like ready for it. You're already trusted. It's not about like you know you buying like a founder pack or anything or spending for lost art. As long as your Steam has trusted status. Here's the thing, right? In Korea, we have this thing with like, you know, with the KSSN. And that actually helps with like bot prevention. So I would say like it's a good one as well. I'm a bot. No. Again, as I said, right? Even if you haven't bought a single thing, I think like you will be still okay. I don't think like it will be like that big of a deal. And if it becomes like too obnoxious, I think like they will like adjust it as well. But I mean like you gotta understand. I think like this is a good way to like prevent like bot from like going as well. So yeah, how many we get from vendor and new Guardian event? They mentioned like the amount of increase we get from like Grand Prix, but they didn't mention like the amount of like the thing that we get from event. I would assume it's the same. I would assume it's the same, so just double it. But at the same time, we never know, right? But generally, that's how it goes in Korea. In Korea, right, whenever we get an event stuff, the amount of material that you get are generally like about like similar. So it's not hard to predict on like what's gonna come in terms of like the thing. I only mail my alts really. You don't need to mail your alts if that's your alt. Just use your share storage, right? Because you can still use share storage. So again, like if you're like not a bot, there is still a prevention for it. Basically, what it does is prevent you from like sending stuff to like you know outside the party, like other players. So it prevents like you know the RMT gold and everything. Sending 80k gold to my streamer. New World would make me trust it. If you bought New World, yeah, it will make you trust it. Hey man, at least New World get some use out of it, isn't it right, Bjorn? And not Bjorn, I've learned it. At least it gives you something now. I mean for gear, but I'm trusted either way. Yeah, you trust either way. And if it is for gear, I mean like it's not that big of a deal again. But yeah, that's basically what is there. 1 out of 10, what's the rating for this update? I would say around like 8 to 9, I think. It's good because like it gives you a lot more materials in Grand Prix. It gives you a new event and doesn't specify the amount of materials. I would assume it's the same amount of material, then probably just double it up. But I could be wrong, of course, right? You never know. And those are super good because those are like what you want, right? What people want right now is materials to upgrade, right? For honing and everything. We also get like bonuses. We get like the KR bonuses, the KR package. We also get the extra honing materials, which is not a lot, but again, it's free. Take it, dude, right? So yeah, and then there's the bot prevention system, and I think like that bot prevention system, it's pretty good. It's like the way Korea like combat it with like the phone number thing. So I think like with the way it is, I think it will lower the amount of it. It won't fix it fully because bots will always find a way, but it's something, you know. And maybe they can tighten it up if people find out that like you know it's not too constricting for actual people. So yeah, yep. What boss? This is a blue hole. Easy push train 85. But yeah, for like that's basically the March weekly update, boys. So yeah, March weekly update for this one. Should you always like in CS:GO or something for bots? That's one way they can do it as well. Can do phone verification. That's one way you can do it. But I'm like the way they do it right now is less constricting than phone verification, but it's it might still constrict the bot enough. So I think it's a good change. I think it's good. I think this is a good thing. So yeah, how many remains does selling Guardian each week? Can you remember? That depends on your item level, Onyx. So yeah, depends on your item level because it scales based on that. But yeah, that's basically how it goes right there. And that's the March weekly update, man. So far, like overall, I think it's really good patch note right there. So yeah, so far like Amazon has been trying to make do well with us, and I think like they're doing well right now. I think it's fine, personally, yeah. And if you guys don't think it's good, I don't know, man. I feel like it's just constant whining if that is the case. I think this is a good change. But yeah, that's the March weekly update, boys. March weekly update. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay.